What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Luxury. Today we're diving into 5 altcoins that could be the next massive crypto explosion. Forget Bitcoin and Ethereum, these are the hidden gems with the potential for 50x, even 100x returns in 2025. We've done the research, analyzed the data, and found projects quietly building revolutionary tech while everyone else is distracted. I'll break down what makes each one special and why 2025 could be their breakout year. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Use this video as a launchpad for your own investigation. Your financial future is your responsibility. Ready to see what we found? Let's get into it. First up is Injective Protocol, or INJ, a blockchain built for one thing: to be the fastest, most efficient platform for financial applications. Think of it as the decentralized Wall Street engine. High-speed, zero gas fees, and optimized for DeFi. Most blockchains are slow and expensive. Injective solves this with its own Layer 1 network, offering near-instant transactions and no gas fees. Imagine trading on Uniswap during a frenzy: crazy fees, failed transactions. Injective eliminates that nightmare. It's the backbone for decentralized exchanges, lending, prediction markets, anything financial but with the speed and efficiency of Wall Street. The market hasn't fully realized how critical this infrastructure is. Everyone chases shiny apps, but Injective is the engine they'll all need. It's interoperable with Ethereum, Solana, and more, building bridges to become the financial hub of crypto. The team is stacked with talent from both crypto and traditional finance, and they're landing major partnerships. One standout feature: an on-chain order book, bringing pro-level trading tools like limit orders to DeFi. The INJ token isn't just for governance, it's used for staking, fees, and protocol decisions, with a deflationary burn mechanism that makes tokens scarcer over time. As DeFi matures, projects with real-world utility and sustainable models will shine. Injective is perfectly positioned for this shift. Its ecosystem is exploding, but it's still under the radar for most retail investors. The opportunity? Get in before the big money realizes Injective is the backbone of next-gen finance. When that happens, INJ could move exponentially. To sum up, Injective is a high-speed, zero-fee blockchain for finance with a deflationary token and a rapidly growing ecosystem. It's solving a massive DeFi problem and remains undervalued. This is one to watch for 2025. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. If you want exposure to the infrastructure powering the next financial revolution, Injective is a top contender. Don't sleep on this one. The next wave of DeFi will need a platform like this. The question isn't if, but when the market wakes up. Keep your eyes on INJ. The fundamentals are there and the timing couldn't be better. Let's move to the next pick. The future of finance is being built right now. Are you paying attention? Our second pick is Render Token, or RNDR, the backbone for the future of AI, the Metaverse, and digital content creation. Every animated movie, video game, and AI model needs massive GPU power for rendering. Traditionally, this is slow and expensive. Render flips the script. It's a decentralized network connecting creators who need GPU power with people who have it to spare. Think of it as Airbnb for GPUs. Gamers and miners rent out idle graphics cards, get paid in RNDR, and creators get affordable, fast rendering. This creates a global supercomputer cheaper and more flexible than centralized server farms. For creators, it means faster, cheaper projects and a level playing field with big studios. Why is this about to explode? AI and the Metaverse are driving GPU demand through the roof. AI models and virtual worlds need constant, real-time rendering. Centralized supply can't keep up. Render is already live, used by thousands, and backed by Hollywood heavyweights like Ari Emanuel and J.J. Abrams. The RNDR token powers the ecosystem. Creators buy it for services, GPU providers earn it, creating a real circular economy. As demand for rendering grows, so does demand for RNDR. Render taps into animation, VFX, architecture, and the trillion-dollar AI market all at once. We're at the start of a GPU shortage, and Render is the decentralized solution. Most people don't realize the infrastructure behind AI and the Metaverse. Render is years ahead of competitors. When you see the next mind-blowing AI video or Metaverse world, remember, Render's network likely powered it. The token's value is directly tied to this unstoppable trend. Investing in Render isn't just a crypto bet, it's a bet on the future of digital content and AI. The scale is massive and the adoption is just beginning. If you want exposure to the digital revolution, RNDR is a must-watch. The next wave of creators will need this network. Don't underestimate the power of decentralized infrastructure. Render is quietly becoming essential tech for the new internet. The opportunity is now, before the world catches on. RNDR could be the fuel for the next digital gold rush. The question is, will you be early or late? Let's keep going. Next up, Ethereum's scaling king. The future is being rendered right before our eyes. Don't blink, on to the next gem. Let's talk Ethereum. Everyone knows it's powerful, but it's slow and expensive. Enter Arbitrum, the king of Ethereum Layer 2 scaling. Think of Ethereum as a jammed highway. Arbitrum is the express lane, faster, cheaper, and just as secure. Using optimistic rollups, Arbitrum bundles thousands of transactions off-chain, then posts a single, compressed update to Ethereum. This slashes costs and boosts speed, while keeping Ethereum's security. Arbitrum dominates Layer 2, most users, most transactions, and the highest total value locked. Top DeFi projects, Uniswap, Aave, GMX, are all on Arbitrum, creating a powerful network effect. The ARB token launched in 2023, but its price hasn't caught up to the ecosystem's explosive growth. ARB is a governance token, giving holders a say in the future of the Arbitrum DAO, which controls a massive treasury. As Ethereum upgrades, Arbitrum benefits even more. Every improvement to Ethereum makes Arbitrum faster and cheaper. In 2025, millions of new users will enter crypto through Layer 2s, not Ethereum directly. Arbitrum is the leading gateway with the tech, brand, and user base to stay on top. When the market realizes Arbitrum isn't just a Layer 2, but the Layer 2, demand for ARB will surge. The disconnect between ecosystem value and token price won't last. For me, ARB is a long-term hold and a bet on Ethereum's future. If you want exposure to Ethereum's next growth phase, Arbitrum is the play. Don't miss the express lane. The Layer 2 wars are coming. Arbitrum is leading the charge. The time to pay attention is now. Let's move to the next foundational project. Our fourth pick is Celestia, a project that's changing how blockchains are built. Traditional blockchains do everything themselves, making them slow and inefficient. Celestia introduces modular blockchains. It handles data availability, letting developers build specialized chains for any use case. Think of Celestia as the public bulletin board for blockchain data. Secure, decentralized, and censorship-resistant. Developers can launch custom blockchains by plugging into Celestia, making it as easy as building with Lego blocks. This modular approach is a paradigm shift, enabling a future with thousands of interconnected blockchains. The TIA token is essential, used for fees, staking, and governance. As more rollups and chains launch on Celestia, demand for TIA grows. Staking TIA can also earn you airdrops from new projects, creating a powerful incentive to hold. Celestia is a bet on the multi-chain future, where launching a blockchain is as easy as deploying a smart contract. The team is world-class, with deep expertise in blockchain scaling. The market is just starting to grasp the impact of modular blockchains. Established projects are already exploring Celestia for cheaper, faster data availability. Getting in now is like investing in the internet's foundational protocols. The potential is massive. Celestia could become core Web3 infrastructure. TIA is your stake in that future. If you believe in a multi-chain world, Celestia is a must-watch. The next wave of innovation will be built on platforms like this. Don't miss the foundation being laid. Let's check out our final pick. Scalability redefined. The future is modular. Our fifth pick is Sui, a Layer 1 blockchain built for web-scale applications and near-infinite scalability. Created by ex-Meta engineers, Sui is designed for the transaction volume of platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Its unique object-centric data model and Move programming language allow for parallel processing, no more single-file transaction bottlenecks. Sui can process thousands of independent transactions at once, making it incredibly fast and cheap. This is perfect for on-chain gaming, social media, and high-frequency trading, apps that need real-time performance. The SUI token powers the network gas fees, staking, and ecosystem liquidity. Its storage fund ensures sustainable on-chain data, a unique economic model. Sui's ecosystem is young, but that's the opportunity. Think Solana in 2020. Backed by top VCs and a world-class team, Sui is attracting innovative projects, especially in gaming. As these apps scale, demand for SUI will rise. The main risk is competition, but Sui's architecture gives it a real edge for web-scale use cases. It's not just another Ethereum competitor, it's enabling things no other chain can. In 2025, as developers seek true scalability, Sui could become the go-to platform. The first breakout app will put Sui on the map. Investing in SUI is a high-risk, high-reward bet on the next generation of the internet. If you want exposure to web-scale blockchain, keep SUI on your radar. The scalability race is on. There you have it, 5 altcoins I'm watching for 2025. Injective, Render, Arbitrum, Celestia, SUI. These projects are pushing the boundaries of finance, AI, and blockchain infrastructure. The potential is massive, but remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research. Dive into these projects, read their white papers, and make informed decisions. Let me know in the comments which coin is your favorite, or share your own hidden gem for 2025. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.